In order to create my first two queries, I used my employees data table, and I wanted to know to sort the employees by those who lived in Brooklyn as well as the clerks. So for the first query, I used the design view and I put in the field of city, I used the phrase Brooklyn, and that's how we were able to sort the employees in that specific department who lived in Brooklyn, and there's 4 of them. Now for the employees clerk query, we did the same thing. We did design view, and under job title, we filtered by clerk, and we have the employees there. Now work codes, I just wanted to see the description. I didn't really want to know which ones were billable or not, so we took away all those columns. We only left the description columns, which shows all the work codes, as you can see there. And for work hours, I wanted to know which administrator worked more than 8 hours on April 2nd. So we did the same with the design, and we inputted worked more than 8 hours and a date worked April 2nd, and we came up with Susanna.